G'day guys, Ron here from Osborne Digital Marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to give someone access to your Google Analytics account. Let's jump into it. It's a short, sweet video. Alright, so I'm in the back end of your Google Analytics account. This is where you would need to be to get it started and to share your profile with someone else. So all you need to do, make sure you're on the home page, scroll down to admin, hit the admin. You'll see account access management, hit that bad boy. And you're just going to follow the prompts. Like, it's very, very straightforward. All you need to do, hit this little blue button up here, add user. And this is where you can enter the email address and the level of permission that they have in the analytics. So that's where they can change things around. If you're looking to utilize an SEO agency, you'd probably want to have editor or administrator, most likely administrator, but listen to what the agency says. But that's pretty much how you share it. So all you need to do, enter the email, hit whatever level of access you want the individual to have. Perhaps if they're just checking your information out, so they're doing a bit of an audit or something like that, viewer is more than enough, or analyst, that would suffice. And you can limit them from seeing certain things. But again, like it says down here, it's only for G4. And then you would just hit add once you've done that. So enter in their email, hit add. Once that's all done, then if someone's added and you don't want them to be added anymore, you can literally click on the three dots and remove access. So that's how you give someone access to your Google Analytics account. If you have any questions, if you want to learn more, if you want a free website audit from my wonderful team at Osborne Digital Marketing, just hit us up. More than happy to help out. Links will be down in the description below. I hope you have a lovely day. Cheers.